Are you looking for attendance and access control solution for up to 300 employees? Wanna use biometrics devices to monitor your time and attendance? Biolink is the key solution that developed and designed by the Starlink and ease all your time and attendance and access control system related tasks. Biolink effectively manages the attendance in small and medium enterprises like IT industries, small industry setups, production units where the number of employees is less than 100. Biolink has such amazing features that make it perfect in the field of access control and attendance management system. It has the following operational modes: only finger, only card, card with password, PIN with password, only PIN. Also, it can connect with the payroll system to prepare the salary. How does the access control system work with Biolink? Generally, access control is installed on offices for protection. So, Biolink can be used to authenticate users. It also generates in and out report for maintenance of records. Attractive features of Biolink: confirms your punch acceptance and rejection via guided message. Have LCD display to show confirm the status of attendance. Can store up to 2 lakh punching records. Stores 600 finger template. Home edition software added with Biolink to easily maintain the attendance records. Useful and low price model for small and medium setups. Specifications: transfer data, USB pen drive. Visual indicator, red, green. Voice guided message, English, Hindi. Memory storage, 4 GB. Network connectivity, LAN. Identification time, less than 1 second. Other applications where we can provide Biolink is boom barrier, turnstile, flap barrier, access control solutions. You don't need to buy time and office software with Biolink as it already included as free edition with the Biolink. Why Biolink will be your first choice for your setup? 20 years experience in the industry. In-house design and development. Customization facility. Competitive prices. Prompt delivery. A complete solution as per need.
Please contact us on sales@starlinkindia.com. Feel free to call us on +91 11 4059 8888. Thank you.